In this video, I will show you how to test a LED, if it's working or not. LED, light emitting diode. A LED emits light to flow in a forward direction. So I'm going to connect the red terminal in the anode and then the black terminal in the cathode, like this. But first, let me on my multimeter. The LED is a diode. I'll put it here. So I'll have this is my anode, and then my cathode. You can see it allows it flows in the forward direction. When I turn it, it's off. When you put the cathode here and then the anode, when it doesn't bring light, it's bad. So this is how to test your LED.